Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. So what happens with this engine, if you pull this starter, this thing is coming back so hard that it rips this out of your hand, and if it comes across your stomach, it hurts. And sometimes it comes back so fast it's like it's trying to run backwards. It'll come back and it'll break these little fingers off in here, and then you can't start it anymore. But I'm going to go inside here. I'm going to take the bottom part off, which I'm going to call the oil pan, which is the lower half of this motor, and see what it looks like on the inside. I've already drained the gas and the oil out. All I have to do is take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. I'm going to use a 10mm socket to take these out. All these bolts are the same length. Take my rubber mallet hammer here. I'm going to try and smack it here and here to try and get it to break loose. Go. I may be able to get a screwdriver under here and pry up. Let me see if I can do that. Oh yeah, it's coming right up. There it is. Now, be careful. See what's under this. Okay, the oil seal still looks good, so I don't have to worry about the oil seal. Everything in there looks pretty good. Oh, yep, I see the problem. As you can see, there's a piece right here. Whoop, we'll get my magnet down in there. It's right there. Also, there's another piece over here underneath this gear. Same thing, looks identical to the other piece I just pulled out. I see another piece right here, down here underneath the crank. Okay, this one will just lift off. And I'm thinking that this is where those go. Okay, here's a comparison of the two. This is the new one. As you can see, it's all intact right here. This one here is in pieces, is actually broke off from inside here. So what I'm going to do at this point is just go ahead and junk this engine out, drip it on down, like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.